Hey guys, so today I'm going to build a raised bed. It's going to be 4 by 8 by 2. I'm going to build this out of cedar fence pickets. Here's what you're going to need if you want to build one yourself. This is Type Bond 2 weatherproof wood glue. And then these are number 8, 1 1/4 triple coated deck screws. I like this particular one because it's both a Phillips and a square drive all in one. I don't really like Phillips very well, so I go with the square drive. Speaking of that, you're going to need a drill because I like the square drive. There's that. And then if you have one, it's handy to have a quick release chuck like this where you can you pull this back and you pull that out like that. And then I have a drill bit. This is a 3/32 drill bit. And what you do with it is you pull back on that collar and snap it in. There, like that. And then you're going to need a pencil and a tape measure and a builder square. And then some kind of saw. I'm using a 12-inch compound miter saw. It works really well. And then one final thing is, of course, the boards. And you're going to need 18 of them to do this particular one. These are all cedar fence planks. And, if you're going to go and get started, I'll come back in a few. Okay, so you're going to need a total of 3 lengths of boards on this. You're going to need several of them that are 6 feet long. So what I did is I took a tape measure, went down here at 6 feet, and made a mark. And then this is where you want to get your square so you can get a nice even mark. You're going to slide this right on the line. Hold it in place. And take, just like that. And you'll see they don't always cut the top coat of the square. Then you're going to take in your saw here. Sometimes if you got the end down like that, you'll want to put something down there to help bring it up. In this case, I've got some scraps I can put down there. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this. I'm not going to try to do that. And I'll be back with you. I'm going to cut some and show you what they look like. So, after cutting all of your boards, what you're going to end up with is 8 6-foot long boards. That's those right there. 8 4-foot long boards. That's these and these. I got these here because it's not actually 2 feet when you stack them up. So what I did is I stacked up 4 of them, and I took a board, or I measured, and then I cut this board the length that those are stacked up, which you may check. I swear I've had it different lengths. In my case, it was 1 feet 10.5 inches, so almost 2 feet. And of those, you're going to need 12 of them. I'm going to go ahead and start putting this together. So now I'm going to show you how to do the corner pieces. I've got one completed here that I've already done. I'm going to show you how to do the rest. I'm going to take and stack them like this. And this is where the quick change bit comes in handy. Change over to the drill. And what you want to do is line everything up real good. Make sure the corners are lined up. Make sure the edges line up and hold it in place. Come in on this first one. Draw all the way down. Then I'll take one. Start it just a little bit like that. And then I'm going to take and run a bead of your glue. Along there. And take and line that up with your hole that you got there. Just kind of lightly set it on there for now. Go ahead and tighten that one up a little bit. We'll line this up now on the opposite end. Drill a hole down there. And you can go ahead and drill the middle one too while you're at it. And then you just run your last two in, and you have another corner piece done. Make sure you go back here and tighten that one. And that's it for the corner piece. We got two more of these to make and we'll be back. Okay, we're starting to put it together now. We've got two corner pieces here and a piece down here. And what we do, what I like doing is staggering the cut ends on the long ones where you got, one like that and then a flat one. Same thing on that end. What I do is just on the end there, I'll come in and I'll put some glue on it, and then we lift it up here and pre-drill two holes, and just like the other part, and put in two screws. So we're going to go ahead and build up the sides here, or at least this side, and show you what it looks like when we get a couple sides up. Alright, so we got the two long ends done. So basically, now what we'll do is take these, put them in here, just line up with here, and we'll stack them up and screw them in as we go. And just like we have been doing, we'll take and put glue all along here on both sides, every joint, before we put it up there. So I'll be back with the finished product. And also the other thing we'll do is we'll come in the centers here, just a couple of those shorter boards we had. We're going to put a support there and there. Those will be screwed in, so it'll look something like that. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, it's a little bit dark, but just wanted to show you I got it all done. I'm just going to clean up now and go eat something. And here's bed. She's a big one. Thanks for watching. Bye.